In today's episode, we travel to Essex to check out the 2019 Street Legal Events car show. Street Legal Events is a massive show featuring some incredible builds. Let's go and check out some car audio over at the DB drag stand. Not only was there some beautiful car audio builds on display, but there was also some phenomenal trophies and prizes up for grabs. Audio builds at the show were so menacing that it was impossible to resist grabbing a few demos. Moving over to the Cerwin Vega stand, there was a gorgeous demo build on display that was built by Paul over at Cerwin Vega UK. Time to change gears and check out the beautiful builds over at the show hall. It's now time to check out some action over at the Flame Off and Pop and Bang competition. This is a big part of the show at Street Legal Events, which draws a massive crowd that are eager to watch some fire-breathing monsters. Fierce, but the GT-R and the Ford Mustang took the lead and duked it out head-to-head in the final rounds, with the GT-R being crowned the Flame-Off champion. But the Ford Mustang did not leave empty-handed and managed to take the crown for the best pops and bangs. Street Legal Events is an amazing action-packed show that is well worth the time checking out. Hey, the car audio guy here. That Street Legal Event show was amazing. There was so much going on that I was struggling to capture everything on film. This crumpet is good. There is another event scheduled for Sunday the 10th of May 2020, so if you're able to, I definitely recommend going and checking that out. This crumpet is too good. There is also a rumour as well that the car audio at the event is going to be even bigger than this year, so if you're into car audio and you like bass, then definitely go and check that out. If you haven't done so already, make sure you check out Street Legal Events' social media page so you don't miss out on the next event. I also used some new transition effects in this video, so let me know down in the comments section what you think about them. Crumpet. I love crumpets. Also let me know in the comments what was your favourite build from this video. That's all for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon. Keep booming and tuning, and I'll catch you in the next one. No, it's better than crumpets. Tea and crumpets.